Hello, my name is Julia from Fix My Finances, and today I want to talk to you about credit scores, what they are, why they are important, and how you can check your credit score. A credit score is a 3-digit number that summarizes the degree of your creditworthiness as a customer. This is based on previous performance and how you have handled credit in the past. It allows lenders to know how risky you are. Credit is when you borrow money under an agreement to pay it back later. Examples are credit cards, loans, car loans, mortgages, but also things like your monthly utility bills and your mobile phone contract. When you take out a financial product, your performance, that is, whether you have paid back your bills every month on time, is recorded and sent to a credit reference agency. In the UK, there are 3 credit reference agencies. These are Experian, Equifax, and Call Credit. Each agency produces a slightly different credit score. Experian and Call Credit score you out of 1,000 and Equifax out of 700. A higher score means that you have handled credit well in the past and pose lower risk to a lender. This means you're more likely to be accepted for credit and will be eligible for cheaper products, like lower interest rate credit cards and lower interest rate personal loans. If you have missed payments in the past, or if you have limited credit history because you're new to the country or because you have never had a credit card, it is likely that your score will be low. This will make it harder to be accepted for credit, and you might only be eligible for higher interest rate products. Credit scores are built over time, so even if you're not looking to borrow money today, if you're thinking of buying a house or a car in the future, starting to build your credit score today could save you a lot of effort and money in the future. In the UK, there are various providers where you can check your credit score for free, including ClearScore, Experian, Money Supermarket, and Totally Money. You can start building your credit score by signing up to the electoral roll and by paying your utility bills and your monthly phone contract on time. Getting a credit card and paying it off in full every month can also help you build your credit score. Other things affecting your score include the length of your credit accounts and your credit utilization. Generally, the longer you have had an account, like your current account at your bank, the better. It is also beneficial to stay below your credit limit, ideally below 50%. This shows lenders that you're sensible with credit. A lot of applications for credit at the same time can also negatively impact your score. So always think carefully before applying and try to space out your applications over a longer period of time. Things that have the biggest impact on your credit score and your report are missed or late payments, defaults on debt, county court judgments, and bankruptcy. These signal serious financial difficulty to lenders and remain on your credit report for up to 6 years. During this time, it will be very difficult for you to borrow money. It is good to keep on top of your score, check it regularly, and if you see any mistakes, to report it to the bureau. For example, if you have recently moved home and your address hasn't been updated. This could negatively impact your credit score. I hope this video was helpful to gain an understanding of credit scores, how they work, why they are important, and who uses them. If you learned something new today, please give the video a like and share and subscribe for more content. In future videos, we will be covering how you can build your score, how you should prioritize paying off different debts, and how you could save money with the correct credit cards. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you here next time at Fix My Finance.